Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm pretty sure that billions of people around the world would throw a broken light bulb like this straight into the trash, thinking it has lost all its value. But wait a minute. What if I told you there's a way to bring it back to life? I was absolutely amazed when I learned this method, and in today's video, I'm going to share it with all of you. First, we need to remove this plastic cap so we can get a better look at the components inside. At this step, you can use a small knife or a precision screwdriver. Either one will work just fine. There we go, done. And now, let's take a look at what's inside this LED bulb. As you can see, there are quite a few LED chips here, aren't there? I suspect the issue lies with one of these little guys. So let's go ahead and test them out. For this step, I'll be using a pointed pair of tweezers. And since we'll be working with a live power supply, it's very important to stay safe. So I'm going to wrap the tweezers with a bit of electrical tape to insulate them. This way, we reduce the risk of electric shock. Safety first, everyone. Now, let's connect the light bulb to the power source and begin testing. What I'll do is gently press the tweezers onto each LED chip one by one. Here's how you can tell which one is faulty. If the surrounding LEDs blink or light up softly, then the chip you're testing is likely still functional. But the nearby LEDs light up brightly the moment you touch one particular chip. Then that is a defective one. These LED chips are connected in a series circuit, meaning electricity flows from one to the next. So when one chip fails, it breaks the entire chain. None of the other LEDs will work properly. Okay, now that I've identified the faulty LED chip, I'm going to mark it to make sure I don't lose track of it. By the way, where are you watching this video from? Drop the name of your country down in the comments. I would love to hear where you're tuning in from. It's always exciting to connect with people from all over the world. Using a small utility knife, I'll carefully pry up the broken LED chip. Please remember to be extremely cautious while using sharp tools like this. Tell me, are these kind of LED bulbs common where you live? And when one of them breaks, do you usually fix it or toss it out? Share your tips and repair tricks in the comments. I'm always excited to learn from you. Alright, now I'll use the tip of the knife to clean the area where the LED chip used to be. This helps create a good connection point for the replacement material. And we're ready to move on to the next step. Here, I have two old razor blades. They may look a little rusty, but they're still perfectly useful for our purpose today. I'll cut off a tiny piece in the corner of one of the blades. We only need a very small metal piece, about the same size as the original LED chip. Now, I'll take the knife again and scrape the piece clean. Since this is from an old razor blade, it might have some dirt or rust that could prevent proper conductivity. So we want it to be as clean and shiny as possible. Next, I have a roll of tape here. I'll cut a small strip, just enough to hold the metal piece in place without covering the other LED chips. I'll now place the clean piece of metal exactly where the faulty LED used to be and secure it with the tape. Press it down a few times to make sure it's firmly attached. And that's it. See how simple that was? Now, let's reconnect the bulb to the power source and test it out. Look at that. The bulb is glowing again. Isn't that fantastic? It's really that easy to fix. So there we have it. We've successfully brought a broken light bulb back to life using nothing more than a single razor blade. Simple, yet incredibly effective, wouldn't you agree? Here at Hack and Craft, we believe that almost anything can be repaired with just a little bit of creativity and a can-do attitude. So go ahead, give this trick a try, and let me know how it works out for you. And hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming clever DIY hacks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy crafting.